Today we're going in the garden to pick some roses for our rose oil and our rose water. Roses have so many benefits for the skin, including hydration, anti-inflammatory properties, and antioxidants. You can choose to make rose water and rose oil right in your kitchen. Now, the very first thing you want to do is pull the rose petals off of the flower and check them for bugs, because of course you don't want those in your face product. Since we're making rose oil today, I'm going to dry off the petals and then cut them gently with a knife. Now it's time to prepare a hot water bath for the oil to sit in for about 30 to 45 minutes. I like to heat up the water in a water kettle because it saves time and energy. If you don't have any fresh roses available, feel free to use dried ones. Now back to the oil. I'm going to be combining coconut, almond, and olive oil together, and then I put the roses in there and mix it well, then put them in the water bath. Make sure that your jar is well sealed so no water gets into the jar. For the best results, leave your rose oil to sit for 2 weeks in a warm, dry place. Shake every few days and you'll be good to go. Subscribe to my channel to find out more DIY self-care tips. You can find my blog at befoodindie.com, sign up for our newsletter, and find out more about me on Linktree. And remember to subscribe to the Food Indie podcast. The link is in the description.